Hey there, art enthusiasts! Are you on the lookout for the perfect fan brush to enhance your painting techniques? Well, look no further! In today's video, we're diving into the world of fan brushes, exploring the top 5 contenders renowned for their quality and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, we've got you covered. Stick around till the end as we unravel the key features, benefits, and practicality of each brush, helping you make an informed choice for your creative endeavors. At number 1 position, we have Wet n Wild Fan Brush. Number 1 on our list is the Wet n Wild Fan Brush, a budget-friendly option perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Key features. Crafted with synthetic bristles, this fan brush boasts softness and flexibility, ensuring smooth strokes and effortless blending. Benefits and usage. Ideal for applying highlighter, bronzer, or even sweeping away excess powder, the Wet n Wild Fan Brush offers precision and control, enhancing your makeup application. Usability. Whether you're aiming for a subtle glow or a more dramatic look, this brush adapts to your needs, making it a versatile addition to your beauty arsenal. Durability. Constructed with durable materials, the Wet n Wild Fan Brush withstands frequent use and maintains its shape over time, ensuring long-lasting performance. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Royal and Langnickel fan brushes. Moving on to number 2, we have the Royal and Langnickel fan brushes, renowned for their quality craftsmanship and superior performance. Key features. Crafted with natural hair bristles, these fan brushes offer impeccable softness and resilience, allowing for precise application and seamless blending. Benefits and usage. Perfect for creating delicate textures, blending colors, or adding subtle details, the Royal and Langnickel fan brushes elevate your painting experience to new heights. Usability. Whether you're working with oils, acrylics, or watercolors, these brushes adapt effortlessly, making them a versatile choice for artists of all mediums. Durability. Built to last, the Royal and Langnickel fan brushes maintain their shape and integrity even after prolonged use, ensuring consistent results with every stroke. The number 3 position is held by Winsor and Newton fan brush. Next up at number 3, we have the Winsor and Newton fan brush, a favorite among artists for its precision and reliability. Key features. Designed with synthetic fibers, this fan brush offers exceptional spring and responsiveness, allowing for controlled application and effortless blending. Benefits and usage. Whether you're creating soft gradients, adding texture, or blending colors seamlessly, the Winsor and Newton fan brush delivers exceptional results with ease. Usability. Suitable for various painting techniques and mediums, including oils, acrylics, and watercolors, this brush adapts to your artistic style, enhancing your creative process. Durability. Crafted with premium materials, the Winsor and Newton fan brush withstands rigorous use and retains its shape over time, ensuring consistent performance throughout your artistic journey. Next at number 4, we have Princeton Artist Fan Brush. Coming in at number 4, we have the Princeton Artist Fan Brush, renowned for its superior quality and versatility. Key features. Crafted with synthetic bristles, this fan brush offers impeccable softness and flexibility, allowing for precise control and smooth application. Benefits and usage. Whether you're blending colors, creating textures, or adding intricate details, the Princeton Artist Fan Brush empowers you to unleash your creativity with confidence. Usability. Compatible with various painting mediums, including acrylics, oils, and watercolors, this brush adapts seamlessly to your artistic needs, making it a must-have for any painter's toolkit. Durability. Built to withstand the demands of professional artists, the Princeton Artist Fan Brush maintains its shape and performance even after extended use, ensuring consistent results every time. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by FolkArt Fan Brush. Last but not least, at number 5, we have the FolkArt Fan Brush, a versatile tool beloved by artists for its quality and affordability. Key features. Crafted with durable synthetic fibers, this fan brush offers superb softness and flexibility, enabling precise application and effortless blending. Benefits and usage. Whether you're adding highlights, creating textures, or blending colors seamlessly, the FolkArt Fan Brush allows you to unleash your creativity with ease and precision. Usability. Compatible with various painting techniques and mediums, including acrylics, oils, and watercolors, this brush adapts effortlessly to your artistic style, making it an essential tool for any painter. Durability. Constructed with premium materials, the FolkArt Fan Brush withstands frequent use and maintains its shape over time, ensuring reliable performance throughout your artistic endeavors. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the top 5 fan brushes on the market, each offering unique features and benefits to suit your artistic needs. Whether you're a professional artist or an aspiring enthusiast, investing in the right tools can truly elevate your creative journey. So, which fan brush caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy painting!